Devastating wildfires are tearing through Australia, supercharged by climate change and dry fuel loads. Ancient Aboriginal cultural burning provides the answer: low-intensity, controlled fires lit by traditional owners. They carefully burn undergrowth early, creating a mosaic of burnt and unburnt patches, stopping massive infernos before they start. Now we combine this timeless knowledge with modern satellite maps, drones, and telemetry for precise, safe burns. The outcome? Healthier soils, faster regrowth, protected wildlife, and fewer catastrophic fires. Reviving cultural burning is key to fighting climate disasters. Support it, heal country, save lives.